Hi everyone. Hi, good morning. So today is 13th of May 2025, Tuesday. So I am just leaving my hotel. It is 9 o'clock because from 9:30 off-peak trains will start. So I am going to Bristol train station to take a train to Newport. So I will buy a return ticket, Newport return ticket. So from there I will go to Cardiff Central. Cardiff. I will again buy a new return ticket to Cardiff. So then from Cardiff I want to go to Swansea by National Express. So again I will buy a return ticket by National Express so that I can visit 3 places today in Wales. So today entirely I am spending my time in Wales. So Wales is a small country within UK, United Kingdom. So Wales has eight counties. So that is the smallest. England is biggest. Then next Scotland. Then comes Scotland. Next Wales. Next Northern Ireland. So there are 4 countries, small countries within UK, so United Kingdom. So yeah, today I want to have breakfast. My breakfast either at train station or I am just walking towards train station. So it is 1 kilometer from here. So it is a nice walk, beautiful walk in the morning. So it is 9 o'clock. So we can't find many people on the roads. So here people, they start late and they sleep late in the night. So they spend evenings and nights outside in the restaurants, in the bars, pubs. So that's why they wake up late unless they have to go to office or schools. So yeah, I am just starting my day today a bit late because I want to take off-peak ticket by train. I am having a breakfast, butter croissant here in this beautiful cafe. See how beautiful it is. So excellent. People are sitting here and working, drinking morning coffee, taking morning break. This is the cave which I had breakfast. So croissant. I wanted to have tea, coffee, but it's very expensive. I will have some. So this is a beautiful bridge on the way to station. Bristol station. Bristol Temple Meads. So Temple Meads means
slide left onto Redcliffe Way.
Background for that. So there used to be one church, so Metlar Church, something like the Metlar Church. So and there used to be fields like meads. They call meads here. So long fields or lawns. So that's why that name Temple Meads. So this station started in the year 1840. So you can imagine 1840, and it used to be still. It is a terminus for Great Western Railways. Great Western Railways are very nice actually. They are excellent. They black color. So the inside of the trains, speed. So just they go to London. They reach London within 1 hour 40 minutes. So they maintain like 200 kilometers per hour speed. So I think London is around 300 kilometers. So they go maybe under 200, 300 kilometers. So they reach within 1 hour 40 minutes. So that is a top speed. See the beautiful walk early morning in Bristol. So it's almost like 1 kilometer. So I am enjoying my walk. You can hear
at the roundabout, continue straight onto Redcliffe Way, A4044.
You can hear sparrows sound in the morning. People going to offices. See, I think might be going to airport. So or London, we don't know. So that bus goes to airport every 10 minutes. So it goes Bristol bus station, airport, and Bristol Temple Meads. Temple Meads is station. So we find almost like 20 hours per day. So I didn't say after that, but might be 24/7. I don't know. So Temple Meads station I have to go straight. So tomorrow morning also I have to follow the same route. My train is at 5:23 a.m. tomorrow. That is the cheapest ticket I got, £26. That's why I took it. So it's fine.
Exit the roundabout onto Redcliffe Way, A4044.
I have to take same way. So I am having tea in this box, fork in the road box. Michael's. So he's from Kurdistan, Kurd. So he's from actually Turkey, but he's Kurd. So this is the tea. So I have made it like Indian tea. He has given hot milk and sugar. So it is £1.80. After having tea at Kurdish small cafe, like a mini cart. I am going towards Bristol Temple Meads. See the beautiful red color building. It's a Travelodge close to Bristol Temple Meads station. See the buildings. Always amazed by these buildings. So these are offices, so IT companies, I don't know. So I am going close towards. So it's already 9:35. Now I am in off-peak times. So I am just late by 30 minutes. It's fine, no problem. I have entire day to visit 3 cities in Wales. That is Newport, Cardiff and Swansea. So there are 3 biggest cities in Wales country or Wales. So, and tomorrow morning I have to go back to London. I have to go to Bradford, my cousin's place. But I am going via London because tickets are cheap via London. If a direct train to Bradford, it was costing like £120. That's why I am going via London. So one more exploration tomorrow by beautiful Great Western Rails train, black color, excellent train. I reach London around 7 o'clock and I spend like 4 hours in the London. So I will see after going there. So I will spend it very efficiently. Then 11 o'clock I have a train to Bradford from King's Cross, St. Pancras, from King's Cross. So it will take like 3 hours. So I reach
Turn right to stay on Potwell Lane.
2 p.m. in the afternoon. So I am staying one night there, and then day after tomorrow I am coming back to London, and I take train to my another dream train, Eurostar, from London to Paris. So this is my plan for now. Early morning, office goers. This is Temple Point, beautiful building with glasses and residential. See the houses. They are close to Bristol Temple Meads station. How cool it is. So they can travel anywhere in UK. So they can reach London within 2 hours, under 2 hours. So see the cars, Nissan. So all outside cars. Holiday Inn Express Hotel, close to Bristol Temple Meads station. So that is the station. So it is not far. It's only 15-20 minutes by walk. So I am almost there. So you can see another airport flyer. So
Crossing.
this is close to Bristol Temple Meads station. So that is the station. I am going towards it. Yeah, that is a beautiful station. See, people are coming from the train station. That is one more airport flyer bus. We always see it in Bristol. So every 10 minutes. Every 8 minutes, sorry. So this is bit, road is not good for suitcases. So when we drag our luggage, it is not good. So these are all tiles.
Walk southwest on station approach towards Temple Gate, A4.
You know, there are Bristol cigarettes also in India. You know, Marlboro cigarettes are very famous. So I saw Marlboro town yesterday. Didn't visit, but I saw it. So that is Bristol station. Bristol Temple Meads, you can see. This is the station. So I said earlier, it was started in the year 1840. See how cool it is. 1840 means almost like 190 years. So this is ticket office, station reception. So I have to go ticket office. This is the inside train, W.S. Smith, Costa Coffee. So today tickets is all tickets. So I have to wait in today tickets only. So I have to wait in the queue. So it's only 5 minutes. That's it. So you can see, please wait here for next available position. So it is always like that in England, UK. So we have to wait in the queue, and whenever there is a space at the window, we have to.
ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.